Under the moon, the night's alive. Your hips move heat I can't describe. The air electric, hearts collide. Let's take this chance, no place to hide. Baila, baila en el ritmo tonight. Feel the fire, let it take you right. Mírame now, the world is ours. We shine brighter than the midnight stars. Sweat glistening as we turn so close. Every step, another dose. Your heartbeat drumming is pulling me near. The sound of music, all we hear. Lose control, let the rhythm soar. Feet on fire, burning up the floor. We don't stop when the dawn breaks through. Tonight is ours, we make it true. Baila, baila, en el ritmo tonight. Feel the fire, let it take you right. Mírame now, the world is ours. We shine brighter than the midnight stars. Every spin reveals more flame. This passion wild, it has no name. This floor's a stage, this beat's a game. Let's play forever, no shame. Every spin reveals more flame.
Sri Lanka is a beautiful island country. It lies in the Indian Ocean. Known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, it offers something for everyone. You can explore ancient ruins and lush green hills or simply relax on pristine beaches. Sri Lanka has amazing food and friendly people. Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. Uluwatu is a popular choice with its calm waters and golden sand. Marissa is another great option where you might spot whales and dolphins. These beaches are perfect for swimming and sunbathing. And if you're into water sports, try surfing and snorkeling. Sri Lanka has diverse wildlife. Yala National Park is a must-visit, home to leopards, elephants and sloth bears. You can go on a safari adventure and see these amazing animals in their natural habitat. The island also has many bird sanctuaries. Sri Lanka has scenic train journeys. The train ride from Kandy to Ella is very famous, traveling through tea plantations and mountains. You'll see stunning views. Kandy is a cultural hub where you can visit the Temple of the Tooth Relic. Colombo, the bustling capital city, offers shopping and dining experiences. Don't miss the local food. Enjoy delicious curries, fresh seafood and tropical fruits. Sri Lanka is a destination that will stay with you. The people are warm and welcoming and the culture is rich and vibrant. Be sure to experience the local hospitality. Sri Lanka has something for everyone, making it a truly unforgettable travel destination.
Under the moon, the night's alive. Your hips move heat I can't describe. The air electric, hearts collide. Let's take this chance, no place to hide. Baila, baila en el ritmo tonight. Feel the fire, let it take you right. Mírame now, the world is ours. We shine brighter than the midnight stars.